What's up Saab fans around the world, and welcome back to another video. It's been a while and we are soon closing in on 10,000 subscribers, which is amazing. Thank you so much for that. And to do something special, I have a new car reveal, and this is a really special one. So let's have a look. So I have already got two NG9-5s, and this is my third one. Of course, one of the other ones is going for sale. I cannot have all the cars in the world, but this is a truly stunning one. This is like the unpolished diamond, because it's pretty rough on the surface, as you will see pretty soon. But this car is pretty much fully spec'd, or it is fully spec'd. That's one of the things that people always claim about cars, not only Saabs but cars in general. I have a fully spec'd car except, and then the list starts. But this car, it has everything that you can possibly get. So it even has the quick heater, which is suited mostly for the diesel engines. But this is a petrol V6, it's the Turbo6 engine. So 2.8 liter V6 producing 300 horsepower. Of course getting a stage 1 tune, and we are going to fix the exhaust because right now it's so quiet. But in 2011, which this car is from, they built 4 cars in Saab factory in Trollhättan, and 2 of them was for the Swedish market. One was jet black metallic and one was Java, and I got the jet black metallic one. So I think there's like a copy of this car somewhere in Germany, and there's a 4th car somewhere in the world as well. But it's a truly stunning spec, like everything you can imagine. But there's an elderly man that has had the car before. He has been treating it really well, so the maintenance has been done, oil changes and everything. But it looks to me like the car has been washed with like Scotch-Brite or something, because on some surfaces you can really see where like bugs have hit or something. It has been really scratched up, so the camera doesn't do it justice. And he has papers and certificates on some polishing, like this right here. I think it's pretty funny, like diamond bright, never polish again. That's quite a statement, because if you look at this car right here, you can see the scratches in the paint. It's really awful. Most of them I think it's really easy to buff out. Some of them will need like wet sanding and then buffing, because this paint is stunning, but it really needs some work. You can see right here what I'm talking about. There is some surface, and now the car is perfectly clean. I have clayed the car, so there is no like contaminants or debris or anything. So it really needs some love, but otherwise got the turbine wheels, and for equipment, as I said, pretty much everything, or everything. I'm not used to saying it got everything, but this one really has. So keyless system, so the car is locked right now. I have the key in my pocket. Just grab the door, and inside you can see we have all the packages that was available. So we got the heads-up display, all the buttons, nothing is missing. We got the premium leather seats, so these seats were never available as ventilated. And this is of course a more exclusive and expensive option, and they are so soft in the leather. It's like nothing else. The other seats are like vinyl and pretty hard, but this is like super soft leather. I think it's called semi-aniline or something like that. So really nice. So this needs to be cleaned off and like polished up, so it's looking really nice as well. The car has some good mileage to it as well. We got the navigation, full system. You can see some scuff on some buttons. So this needs to be fixed. It's not the worst in the world, but needs to be fixed. It got the drive sense, so we got intelligent mode, comfort and sport. And of course we got the panoramic sunroof, which is such a nice feature. And I have 2 kids, and they really enjoy this feature right here. So we got the rear seat entertainment together with some wireless headphones, and otherwise the Harman Kardon sound system. So as I said, there has been elderly people that has had the car before, so not many people has been sitting in the back seat, which is really nice. So can you imagine being a kid inside here, watching your favorite movie and have this beautiful panoramic sunroof while enjoying the power of a Saab? So as I said, Turbo6 4-wheel drive with the Haldex system. I think it's called Haldex 4, and it has the ELSD differential. So this is no, it's actually not, but it's my first 4-wheel drive Saab at least. So some of the plans right now, of course it needs to get a thorough polish right now, like right now. And I think I'm going to wet sand most of the car and then polish it. This car is going to receive the 21-inch turbine wheels, which I have on the other car, and these 19-inch rims will be sold together with the car, which one I choose. So these rims right here has the TPMS sensors. And a fun fact about these seats right here with the rear seat entertainment is that the premium skin together with the rear seat entertainment is only 76 cars in the entire world, so it's very few of them. There are more Koenigsegg Regeras in the world than it is cars with these seats combinations. So, and as soon as I leave the car, it locks itself. I think you can adjust that in the system, but otherwise. So the plans for this car is lowering, of course. It's high as I don't know what. You can like fit your whole hand inside here, which is not my style. But my first plan with this car was going coilovers, but I think I will go lowering springs, because I just helped a friend with his Turbo6 and we did lowering with lowering springs together with the full Hirsch kit and 21-inch wheels, and it came out just stunning. So I think I will go with that, because it's really nice to have the drive sense features of the car still there, and you will have some like comfort left. The coilover cars are running super good. I'm not saying they are bad, but this will be another level of comfort. And these seats are so soft compared to the other ones, so it's really nice to ride in. Otherwise, we will open up the exhaust. You can see the rear mufflers are just insane boxes. So these guys right here are like really disturbing the flow, and the sound is just like I don't know what. No like V6 sound at all. It's so low in the volume. So I'm going to start with the rear muffler delete, see how that sounds, and then we will do a full built exhaust system in the future. So there is much content coming on this car because I really want that deep growly sound from the V6. And the cold starts on these cars are just amazing, not stock, but when you have fixed the exhaust. So let's do a short little cold start. As I said, not much right now. It's really nice and humble, since it's a luxury sedan from the start. So we will wake up this beast. And I have had a Hirsch performance body kit laying around for a while now, just waiting for the right car to put it on. So I got the side skirts in here. The front lip is there, and then I got from Tune Style a Hirsch style diffuser, and I got the boot lip, which is also Hirsch style, really nice. So we have some parts already. So we got the wheels, we got the body kit, and we just need to find some lowering springs that are good for this car, do a thorough polish on the car, and then we will decide what tune we are going with. So if you are running a Turbo6 or have any suggestions on the tune, please leave a comment down below. Otherwise, like I said, start to polish the car, see what we could save, and what we can't save we are going to repaint, because this is truly a car to be saving for the future. And these specs with everything is not very many of, at least not on the premium side. So of course you can have a fully loaded car with panoramic sunroof and the ventilated seats. I guess there are more of those cars, but not with the premium seats and everything. Only 4 cars produced. So I think we will start to do just a little test polish to see if we can buff some of this out, just to get a little bit peace of mind and see what we can do. So I'm starting with a heavy cut foam pad and some Rupes coarse high performance cut and polishing compound. So as I said before, the car has been thoroughly cleaned. So we're just gonna start where we have some real blemishes. So look here, after just that little pass, you can see how miserable it is before. And now it brings back that clarity, the metallic paint. So we are going to get this really nice again. So that's it for this video, a short little introduction to my brand new Turbo6 NG9-5. So this is really exciting times for me, and I'm super hyped to get this out on the road this summer, sounding incredible and great performance. So if you have any questions about the car, or if you have any ideas on what I should do or what I should film, because I have done a lot of these films before, like tinting windows, polish the car. If there's something else you want to see, please leave a comment down below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one. Bye!